Hey everybody, this is Anu. Welcome back to Treasury Crafts. Subscribe to my channel, press bell icon and select all notification option to get my instant notifications every week. Today I am going to make this beautiful dinosaur planter with vase bottle. Take any cool drink bottle, make sure it is big. Cut the bottom portion with the help of any knife you have. Please don't skip the video, watch till end without skipping it, so that you will know all important steps. To shape the body, draw a C shape at one end and cut it with the help of a scissor. Take any vase metal bangles you have that is easy to bend. Instead of this, you can even use any wires. Cut it and bend like this to shape the head. With the help of a plier, bend the two edges like this. I am going to use these bangles to shape head and tail. For tail, cut the bangle to the desired size, bend at one end so that you can fix it to the bottle. I am going to use paper as a filler. Wrap the paper around the metal pieces. You can even use aluminium foil as a filler instead of paper if you have. If you are watching my video for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel for more craft ideas and some of the homemade craft supply making videos. Repeat the same for the tail portion. Do recommend my channel to your family and friends who might be interested in crafting. I am going to use candle to heat the knife. As I told you, this is going to be a planter. So make 3 to 4 holes at the bottom so that the water can drain. Now put 2 holes at each side of the plastic bottle so that you can insert head and tail portion. Make hole like this. Be careful when you are working with hot and sharp object. Insert the head portion like this, press it to the bottle, apply glue so that it won't move. Now, to fix the tail, just insert it like this. Use Fevibond or any super glue such as Fevikwik and a bond, or you can even use glue gun, and fix it like this. Now the basic structure of a dinosaur is ready. Let's cover it with clay. I'm going to use wall putty dough. I just mixed wall putty powder with some water to make a clay-like consistency. But you can use any air dry clay you have. You can even use my paper clay for this project, or you can even use my homemade air dry clay. I will give all my homemade air dry clay recipe in the description box. Do check it. If you are using my air dry clay, that is white clay, then make a thick pieces and then you have to stick it. Wall putty, you can get it from any hardware shop. It is similar to plaster of Paris and white cement. The reason for mixing wall putty in the water is it takes some time to dry than plaster of Paris, that is POP, so that you get some time to work. And also it gives smooth finishing. 1 kg wall putty powder is only 30 rupees. Just cover it like this. You will need only water to blend it to the other pieces. Just wrap all the structure with wall putty dough or any air dry clay you have. My paper clay recipe works well for this. To shape the head, plait some clay and press it like this along with the wire. Roll some clay and fix it at the top to shape the head. Using a pen's refill for making eye. Just take it out and press it like this. Use any sharp object to make texture at the neck of a dinosaur. Making planters with animals would really a great idea. Making some texture with the same pen. Allow it to dry. It has been dried completely. Now let's paint them. All colors I'm going to use are acrylic colors. For a base color, I just took some white paint, added 1 to 2 drops of yellow and 1 drop of brown acrylic color to get this shade. This one is a plant-eating dinosaur. Let them dry completely. So I'm going to use some shades of green to make textures. If you like this video, please hit the like button. That will help me to reach more people who are interested in crafting. Do let me know what you think about this craft idea in comment section. Leaving the texture made by pen, paint it with a mild green color. Just add some water in a leaf green and just give a coat of it. Or you can just randomly paint it like this. Use any dark green shade, dip it in the brush. Now using the tip of the brush, just tap it like this to get this texture. Just give a tap. Don't draw lines, you just need to tap. Highlight the round texture like this. Using golden metallic color for the face and neck and highlighting the body with the golden metallic color. This step is completely optional. This will just add a glow, but if you don't have, you can skip it. And the beautiful dinosaur planter is ready to use. I have planted money plant here. Money plant have lot of good benefits. It purifies air. It is believed to give good luck and prosperity. And it is believed that it reduces anxiety. So do try this in your home. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, please hit the like button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.